Amaphoyisa athi kulezi zinyanga ezisithupha ezedlule asehle ngosomabhizinisi abayi12 kanye nabafundi abayisithupha ebebethunjwe abasolwa ukuze bathole imali. Esigamekweni ezahlukene amaphoyisa ahle ngosomabhizinisi ababili kuleli sonto, omunye wabo wathunjwa ngomhla ka-24 kuNhlangulana.
This is our second success for the week as the SAPS. Earlier this week, we also rescued another businessman in Soweto, in Snake Park. He too was also kidnapped outside his business premises. We immediately assembled a team.
Ithimba lamaphoyisa libopha abasolwa abahlanu, omunye wabo kholakala ukuthi uyingxenye yeqembu lesigebengu eselithumba ukungena nabantu abane abangosomabhizinisi baseGoli.
We managed to intercept two suspects, two kidnappers that are involved in this particular case. We immediately apprehended them. At around 10:30 last night, we managed to identify where the victim had been kept, this particular businessman. We found him safe, and we found him with being guarded by one of the other captors. We immediately apprehended that kidnapper.
Njengoba ziqhubeka izigameko zokuthunjwa kwabantu kuleli, amaphoyisa asebenzisana namathimba omthetho akwamanye amazwe asezwenikazi lase-Afrika ukunqanda lobu bugebengu obuhleliwe.
We have a joint action plan together with Mozambique, where we've got cross-border operations, because we noticed that some of these nationalities that are involved include South Africans are involved in this type of crime. We are arresting also Mozambicans. We've got Pakistanis, we've got Somalians, and we've got Zimbabweans and so on.
Amaphoyisa athathungatha abanye abasolwa ngokuba ingxenye lobu bugebengu.